morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please? We are continuing our mandatory face-to-face immigration process and would like to invite all guests located on deck 15 and 16 to proceed to the observation lounge located on deck 17 forward at this time. Once again, we're calling all guests on decks 15 and 16 to proceed to the observation lounge located on deck 17 forward at this time. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your attention, Ganang. Those are the tour buses if you want to. You have to pay, of course. So we're going out 9:55 a.m. It is 7 degrees or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. 45 right now. No? Why? People are busy figuring out what they want to do. And that's our NCL Norwegian cruise line. Our kids just do their own. A busy place, beautifying. Oh no, they are those. It's time for the beautiful irises. It's summer. 41 degrees right now in the morning in Isafjordur Iceland. Hop on and hop off. Yeah, maglakad-lakad lang. Kasi people. There is taxi, there is that you can pay each, and there's a bus travel Iceland. Oh, look at those birds. Huh? Eagle tours. We offer 2-hour sightseeing tour to attractions around Isafjordur and Bolungarvik. I don't know, they said they're going. There's the West Travel. People are figuring out which one they're gonna do, but for us, we are going to just walk around because it's just a flat surface anyway, and we will be back here right before 5. So we're just enjoying our time around Isafjordur. It's here that you can buy your wag daw. Sige, dito na lang. People are busy figuring out what they want to do. And that's our NCL Norwegian cruise line. Our kids just do their own. A busy place, beautifying. Oh no, they are those. It's time for the beautiful irises. It's summer. 41 degrees right now in the morning in Isafjordur. Isafjordur. Nag-smoke na ang top ng MCL. Of course, yung heater. Anong meron dyan?
Basa namin picture lang.
Ayaw. Mapan nga kwan. Kunwari nga paano de bakit sika.
See the tunnel up there?
Yep.
Going up the road.
Must be a mine. Looks like tailings on the bottom. Doesn't look like they're mining it.
Ayun. Ang kita niya na. Nagsusulo lang. Hindi. Done. Okay, we're going to the town of Isafjordur. 1, 2, 3. First kuya. Hindi ko.
Oh, we're going down. We're going down.
If you do that, you wear at this. Ocean. They're planting right now. This is the police station. That's their gasoline station. Their cemetery. Look at them. They have so many fish. Nakakarami ng fish. Elementary school. You're going up the hill. So din dito ang nagsasampay. Oh, di ba? May-ari niyan kasi meron siyang ano, bell. Tara na. Are huge. Look at this. They have a huge what's it called, this one? Yeah. They are huge. Huge. Wow. They have a gigantic rhubarb. Ooh, it's so good for rhubarb crisp. Oh, here there, buddy. You're looking for your friend. Oh, you're getting in on my sweater. Are you cold? Goodness.
It reminds me of Boots. Yeah. Boots
Oh,
is
hey,
like that.
Boots. We'll name you Boots.
Yeah. Hey Boots.
Hey there, Boots.
It's a girl because it's a pink.
Oh. Oy!
It's a girl.
Gusto ko nyo? Yeah, very friendly. Oh, I'm going back to you, Kuya. What the heck? Very friendly. Pupunta siya sa mainit kasi sa puwitan yung mainit. Giniginaw daw siya. Oh, papasukin pa yung sweater ko. Oh my world. Hello there. We're from Minnesota. Isafjordur Iceland. Sama ka sa Minnesota, malamig din dun. Pero at least mas mainit pag summer.
Try to carry him.
No,
They
don't.
don't like getting carried, but they love getting pet.
No, cats usually, if they're not very familiar with you, they don't usually like getting carried.
Yeah, but this ones are.
But they love getting.
This is Iceland, so you can tell that they are friendly.
The petting is fine, but usually cats don't like it when you carry them.
Yeah.
Whoa! Going straight for that.
Oh.
He said, "Sight."
Oh, ayan yung cute. Ah, ay, medyo koncha, naatap. Naatap na.
Malalaki yung laban kanina dito.